I'm going to share my latest PCGS submission results. And I have a few head scratchers. Most of them turned out pretty much what I wanted, but I really missed one of these coins. I missed something about one of these coins, and I'm going to talk about that. My name is Daniel, and you are watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. If you need help with a coin or any coin questions in general, just come over here to Coin Help You community, hit this register for free right here. Doesn't cost a thing. Don't click an ad. Don't come up here and click this because it says to register or to start an account. Hit register for free. Also, here's my website, portsmouthcoinshop.com. We have a lot of coins over here. We're putting up coins all the time. We have auctions. So come over to portsmouthcoinshop.com and check it out. And that's also where these coins will be listed when you see this video, if they haven't already sold. So first things first, here's a 1937 Mint State 64 Buffalo nickel. And the reason I sent this is because I thought it was at least a 65 or better. And I don't see a lot of marks on the coin. It's got a little bit of a spike there on the forehead, and I realized that's a die clash remnant. But the problem is that I didn't catch that it was a double die. This one is actually the 001 for the 37. It is not a rare one. It's not worth a lot of money. It might add a little bit of money to it, a little bit of a value, but not much. But it's hard to see the Liberty, but it's in the Liberty. Let's see the date. You can see that the 9 is thicker at the bottom. That's where you can really tell. So what we'll do, we'll look at an actual resource for it. And it is the 001. Like I said, it's the double die obverse. And even if I did submit it for variety attribution, it's still not worth enough. The fees would be more than what the coin's worth. As is, it's worth $52. I'll put it up at auction, and I'll put this information for the double die and let people bid what they want. I mean, it might be worth $100. Maybe another $50 because the double die is pretty cool. And it's one of those double dies that's kind of subtle, that it's harder to identify, and it's easy to pass it up just being on the Liberty and the date for the most part. But that little spike on the nose, above the nose there, that's a telltale pup, what we call a pickup point. So if you see that and look a little bit closer, you might have this double die. Then I sent an 1884 Mint State 63, and this is one of them I felt would be proof-like, or had potential to be. I know it's semi-proof-like, but unfortunately they did not label it with that designation. Didn't even give it a star, or didn't even give it a plus grade, which I thought, I know it has scrapes on the cheeks, but it just got that eye appeal, that cameo effect to it. You're looking at $100 for this one. Then I have an ADO, AU58. I was hoping for a Mint State on this one, but I didn't hold my breath on it, but I just wanted to send it off because it is a better date. And this one's $125 in AU58. So you can see a little bit of wear on it, but like I said, you always take your chances. You just never know. Sometimes these coins can end up getting graded Mint State 60. Then I had a 32S. I wanted to just get in the holder. It was so dark. There's no removing this. There's no restoring this in any method that I could use to make it look a little bit brighter. So it's just as is. The coin's 125 to 150, and I'll probably sell for about 100. Who knows, 125. But the actual extra fine value is 150. But being a problem coin, it's going to be a problem to get rid of. Probably an auction item. Here's another one, 81S, Mint State 64, and I did think this would get the proof-like. I mean, it's a really nice coin. But it got 64, no proof-like designation on it. There is, like I said, you can see the mirrors in this. I mean, it'd be a 30-inch mirrors if it was sold by a certain seller on eBay. We all know that. So this one here is $125 as a 64. Then we have a 99.0 MS64. I sent this off because it was choice. I know it had that little slash right there. If it didn't have that, I think it would have edged 65. But, like I said, these are coins that help the shipping and the fees. It stretches out the fees, makes it cost a little bit less. $160 on that. Plus, I had 4 vouchers where I just renewed my subscription there, or at least my membership to PCGS. 1897S, Mint State 62, a little better date. Now see, this one looks similar to the AU58 to me. So like I said, you look real close, look for missing luster, things like that. This one is a $165 coin retail. Like I said, it probably won't sell for that much. I'm just quoting the retail from PCGS. We all know they're a little inflated. Here's a 14D. Now the 14D, this one here is special in the sense that I had someone come in, bring a bunch of coins that they just had that didn't know what was in it. And I found a 14D in it, and I found another coin that I sent off in this submission. And I told them I would send them off and we would make a deal on them after they came back based off the price. This person's a regular customer that comes in all the time. I typically don't do deals like that, but with this person I did. This one's worth $200. 1927, mint state 62. It's a very nice coin. I was worried a little bit about the obverse getting clean. It didn't, because sometimes it looks a little dipped, doesn't have that frostiness to it. It has that smooth finish, and sometimes you wonder about that because I've got coins back there that look like this, very similar, that they did put genuine cleaned on. So this one lists for $215 at PCGS. That right there, I see a lot of people still posting about that. That is just the marks on the edge of a reeded coin. Another reeded coin hit that. The contact mark is what they call that. This 84O, very fine 25, a really nice coin. I just liked the patina of this. Original circulated. It's never been messed with. It's a $300 retail coin. There's the O mint mark. It's just a really nice coin from New Orleans Mint. 1902, mint state 63. It's a nice coin there. And you're looking at a coin that's PCGS has listed for $335. Now look at this one here. I'm not going to show you the grade yet. Can you guess what grade this coin is? Look at that. Now, I thought that it was going to be maybe a plus or maybe 1 point higher than this, but I'm okay with what I got. Mint state 66 81S. That is a choice 66 coin all day long. I know it has the mark right here and a little bit right here in the front, but you just don't really see that much with the naked eye unless you really turn it. So that penalized it, and plus being an 81S probably. Sometimes they don't grade these. They grade these a little more conservative because they typically are nicer. You do see this right here now. You can see that mark on the cheek. So, but still yet, man, it's a nice coin. Very nice. These are cherry pick coins by me. I did cherry pick all these coins myself. By the way, I wanted to say that. So anyways, 1928, AU58. Nice coin there. Always a popular coin. $475 is listed at PCGS. And we have 90cc AU58. You don't see them in that grade very often. And this is one of them that I was hoping was AU, not extra fine 45, because it's kind of like in between there, maybe even an extra fine 49 to 48, which we don't use. This is $475 retail, but I was hoping that it wouldn't be cleaned as well. Has a couple marks on the breast feathers, but that leads me. I want to leave this one out right here because I'm going to talk about that one. This one's a 96S. This was cherry picked. It's the better dates, AG03 and the quarters, barber quarter, and this one retails $550. That's nice coin there. Then we have this one. This is what I want to do. I want to compare this one to the 90cc. This is a 96S extra fine 45. I felt this one was more of an AU50. It's a $675 coin in AU, an extra fine 45. But look at the reverse of it. I mean, we look at both of these coins together here. Do you see what I'm talking about? I mean, it's really close. I like this one. It's the 96S better. And here's the reverse. You can just see the same amount of, breast feathers. I mean, there's a little bit more on this, but you just, I don't know. Like I said, it's really close. I think this is better than extra fine 45, but maybe it's extra fine 48 or 49. So that's the way it happens sometimes. And this one here is a 1909S VDB. It's PCGS genuine, cleaned, fine details. This is the other coin that we found. I mean, finding a 1909S in a VDB in someone's coins that they dropped off to take a look. A really good customer comes in and does a lot of business with us. This one in fine 1100s of retail, but with it being a problem coin, it has just a little bit of scratches on the head is what it is. Probably it'll sell for about 800. So we'll go down a grade on it. But it's a really nice coin, and I don't understand how that can have scratches on it like that. It just came back from PCGS. I mean, just came back. Just took it out of the box and took some images, but you can see the little scratches there. But boy, I'll tell you what, that's close to a problem-free coin. Maybe it's $1,000 coin. I don't know. It's hard to get these. I hate letting them go for. I don't get very many of these, and they're harder to find. And it is the most expensive coin in this submission. So the value retail is at least $5,277 for these coins, because some of the clean or problem coins here, the couple that we have, you don't know exactly what you're going to sell them for. I probably have $3,000 total plus the $646 in fees. So all done and said, I'll make $800 to $1,000 on these coins here. Like I said, it's hard to predict what the double die is going to go for, but since it's not labeled. But I was really proud of this coin. I saw the little marks on the cheek there, and I was worried about that. But, getting a 66, it's got the eye appeal. Beautiful. So thanks for watching my latest video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little bit of something. Grading can be very difficult when it comes to point grade. Sometimes it's so close that it's hard to get it. So please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.